Greetings to all the puppy enthusiasts and photography experts out there. Puppies have an innate ability to captivate us with their adorable presence, and one way to capture their irresistible charm is through captivating puppy poses. In this video, we embark on a delightful exploration of puppy poses, offering insights and inspiration to help you capture the perfect snapshot of your furry friend. From playful stances to heart melting expressions, get ready to discover the enchanting world of puppy poses and unleash your inner pet photographer.